If you're over 50, here's what's probably going on. Your hips are stiff before you're even out of bed, your energy taps out by mid-afternoon, and your testosterone's been quietly sliding for years. Everyone blames turning 50. Truth is, a couple of switches inside your body went quiet, and nobody ever showed you how to flip them back on. That's exactly what these three moves do. They're pulled straight from old kung fu and qigong, monks and fighters once used to build power from standing still. Switch 1 lives in your nervous system, and it's the easiest one to reach. Zhuang, the standing pole stance. Feet shoulder width, knees soft. Raise your arms in front of your chest like you're hugging a tree trunk. Shoulders down, spine tall, and hold. Breathe slow through your nose. That slow breath calms your nervous system down, and calm drops cortisol. So the lower it falls, the more room testosterone has to climb. Good, your body's calm now, but your hips are still locked, and that's been building since the day you started sitting at a desk for a living. Gong Bu, the bow stance. Step into a deep lunge, front knee over your ankle, back leg straight, back foot turned out. Square your hips forward, sink in, and hold. This undoes that desk job lock. It opens the hip flexor that's been shut for years, and that alone frees up blood flow right where testosterone gets made. Do these 5 minutes a day, and your hips loosen, your spine stacks up, your testosterone starts climbing back to where it used to be. Just your own body weight, standing still the right way. Which one are you starting with? Tell me below. And don't forget to subscribe.